welcome back to my channel. It's another video. So yes, as you can already see from the title, I am coming to braid my own hair. Yep, I really stopped having interest in going to the salon for them to braid my own hair, because it's, I don't know, it's more painful for me. Yeah, so I started braiding my own hair somewhere late last year. I'll show you pictures of two that I already did before. So yes, with this one I'm going to use this hair. It's an old hair. I have some few new ones, but yeah, I really like the bunch hair on my head. So, and this one is kinky. It's Afro Kinky or Afro TWISTS, I know them, but it's really soft, and that was my first time of seeing one. So yeah, I wish you guys could feel it. And I threw the paper that had the name, so I cannot really recommend it. What am I saying? I cannot really tell you the name of the hair, okay, but it's just soft. It's really soft. So with this one, I am going to start from the back, okay, then I'll do the front before I come and do the middle. Yeah, I've already oiled my hair, I've already detangled it, done all of those things, so we are just going to get right into it. Like I always say, sectioning your hair makes everything better and easier. Let me know in the comment section if you agree, and let me know if you do not section your hair whenever you're about to do anything to your hair. Like, I really want to know. We really want to know who you are, okay? So we are just starting to part our hair, just starting from my back, like I said. Yeah, I don't use any mirror or anything to check if the pattern is okay. I just use my fingers to feel it, and it looks pretty much okay to me. You see, the back of our hair is not that much, like the hair at our neck is not that much, so I just did some full patterns. So I take my hair, I start with the old ones at the back. So I take the hair, wrap it around 3 times, then I do a braid till my own hair gets in between the 2 extensions, okay? Then I pat my own hair, then I start twisting. So we are done with our first one, and the tightness is just as I want it, or just as I wanted it. So let's move on to the next one. Same thing, wrap around 3 times, do your braid so your own hair gets in between the 2 extensions. You divide your hair into 2 and share it amongst the extensions, and then you just start twisting. If you took notice, I kind of do a pre-pattern, like pre-sectioning. I section the hair before I start braiding, so when I finish one section, I just go to the next. It's not now that I'm coming to do another comb pattern and all of that. Now that pattern there is a bit weird, but we can work with that. You can see we are working with it. So this is the plan. I want to keep this protective style in for a long time, but I don't know if I should do 2 months, 3 months, or 4 months. Let me know in the comment section how many months do you want me to keep this hair, so that at the end we all check the length and see how much hair I have grown or how much length I have retained. Let me know in the comment section what you think. So we are done with the back. Let's start with the front. I'm just parting my hair. Like, I want to get that middle part right, because all the times that I've been braiding my hair, I don't really take parting seriously, but this time I really want to get it right, you know. So yeah. So this is the next morning. I don't know if you can notice. Yeah, so before I slept, like my proper sleeping, I parted my hair so that I'll finish early in the morning. Yeah, so I was tired of the comb parting. I started using my fingers to do the parting. So I used a crocheting thread for that. I don't know, I wanted to use pink, and another time I wanted to use blue, but I'm like, let me try this. Let me tell you something, I don't like leaving my hair like just dark like that. I always want to see some color in my hair, so I had to do something about that. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please do not forget to leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, and share it. Yes, see you in the next video. Bye.